I'm going to be honest with you, hitting publish on this project is actually terrifying. But for the last 6 months, I've been pouring everything into this project. It started when I was tutoring some students that had special education needs. And very quickly I realised just the tools that I was using just weren't sufficient. They just weren't working. So the students, they needed structure. They needed some immediate feedback, and they just didn't need the pressure. They needed to be engaged. And I needed, as a tutor, a better way to track their progress without spending hours and hours marking. So I built, using AI, a solution. Now, it's been a massive learning curve of problem solving, critical thinking, resilience, but just as this is the result, Spark Path MicroLesson Library. And I want to walk you through, I want to show you how it can support home learning. Now, it starts here. As a home educating parent or a busy tutor, finding high quality, structured, engaging resources is really half the battle. Currently, I've built a library of over 120 lessons, but my aim is for thousands of lessons. These lessons range across multiple global curriculums: the British, IB, Australian, Indian, Cambridge, and there are many more to come. This gives you the freedom of choice. You can pick and choose the exact right lessons to build a custom learning path tailored specifically for your students' needs. Now, what you do is you create a learning path with several lessons added to it. You share the link of that learning path, and then the student opens it anonymously, which makes it safe and secure. No student personal data is shared other than their first name, which could also be a random username the teacher or the tutor gives the student. They work through the lesson pages, they engage with a creative task, and then they take an assessment quiz. But here is the game changer. You don't have to mark it. The AI steps in, analysing their work against all the learning objectives and gives them instant, encouraging feedback so they can improve independently. This lets the AI do the heavy lifting. For tutors, it means less unpaid marking time. For parents, it provides those all-important learning summaries, giving you peace of mind and concrete evidence of their progress. This is a true passion project for me, born out of real tutoring needs. I'm a teacher, I'm an educator, I get it. I'm nervous but excited to share it with the education community. Now, I'm launching this imminently. Now, if you want to support an independent founder, then please head over to sparkpath.uk and join the waiting list. Now, as a thank you for that, everyone who signs up gets a 50% discount off the first year subscription. So, thank you. Thank you so much for your support.